Hi guys, we're going to be interviewing Arnav from Service Master Clean. Really excited for this. Arnav, if you don't mind, could you just quickly introduce yourself and how long you've been in business for?
Yep. So my name is Arnav. We've been in business now with the cleaning company for 6 years, and in that time we've steadily grown, but predominantly through acquisitions until recently, and until we started working with Emmanuel. The organic side of the growth was lacking. He's sort of fixed the problem of a lack of leads, and the organic starting to really kick in at this point.
No, that's amazing. Because I was going to say there, like, what issue were you kind of looking to solve before working with us? So that makes sense.
Yeah, main issue for us, it was very clear. It was just a lack of leads.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, it's hard to close business when nothing's coming in the top end. So that was the main problem for us.
Yeah. I love that. Like, how did we meet as well, if you remember as well?
I think you sent us a cold email.
Yeah.
And then I'm sure as well you called if I was out of the office.
Yeah.
And so you spoke to my brother. But yeah, that's how.
Yeah, I still remember the phone call as well. And then he then referred it to you, which is cool. Yeah. I was gonna say so, like, so in terms of leads, like what results would you say would kind of helped you guys to achieve essentially with the lead so far as well?
Yep. So I'd say it's clearest with a before and after. So before we were working with you, we would maybe get 1 to 2 inbound leads a month. Nothing really game changing or anything. Since working with you, I think it's been 3 or 4 weeks now. We've consistently had at least 1 lead a day. So it's completely sort of revolutionized the sales side of the company.
No, that's actually amazing. And how would you say you've liked the process so far as well, in terms of the system, replying to leads as well?
Yeah, I would say the system is good. The main positive I would say is you're always on the phone and you're always there. So if there's ever an issue, we can get in contact. You're collaborative as well. So I don't know, maybe the way the emails were coming into us, we just reached out and we worked out a better process to sort of smoothen it out for both parties. So I would say the process is quite slick, and the fact that we can collaborate with you, it just makes it really easy to deal with.
Yeah. No, thank you for that. And I was gonna ask that as well. Would you recommend us, and like who would you kind of recommend us to as well?
Yep, absolutely. I would 100% recommend you, as long as it's not to a competitor. But essentially, anyone who's struggling with getting leads in the door, we had that clear problem, and you came in and solved it for us precisely with that. And it's not like you're just shoveling us like garbage leads where you show up and they're not even there. It's like high quality leads that we're actually converting at a high percentage.
Yeah. Nah, thank you so much for that, Arnav. Thank you.